wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best room dividers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. With its painted pine wood frame and white fabric that reaches the floor, the Coaster Home Furnishings folding screen is an aesthetically pleasing way to divide your space. While it provides some privacy, you can see through the cracks between the panels. No assembly is required, however it emits a chemical smell initially, and the fabric is not completely opaque. At number 9, available in several decorative designs, the Kernorv hanging screen is an artistic way to create separation in your living room, kitchen or den. Made from PVC, its floral design is intentionally see-through and lightweight. It's modular to allow for expansion and can hang anywhere there's a ceiling, but it doesn't include connectors. Coming in at number 8 on our list, with its Japanese plum blossom pattern and simple lines, the Legacy Decor Shoji adds a touch of elegance to a room. This model is available with 4, 6 or 8 panels, and either a white or black painted wood frame. The fabric reaches the floor and the hinges swing both ways, however you can see through the gap between the sections. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for room dividers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, thanks to its top-to-bottom chalkboard panels, the MyGift wood frame with dual hinges is especially useful if you want to take notes or brainstorm ideas in your office, classroom or dorm. It stretches over 5 feet wide and nearly 6 feet tall, offering ample privacy. It's equipped with a sturdy wood frame and is easy to wipe down, but it is prone to wobbling. Moving up our list to number 6. Offered in beige, grey or orange, the Berman Products Galaxy Room incorporates 3 34-inch panels, which can be positioned in a zigzag formation, an L shape or a straight line. Its solid color fabric exudes a sense of modern minimalism. This one can be used outdoors and is made with a durable fabric. However, it can topple over if not weighted down. Halfway up our list at number 5. Designed with 6 sections, the Rose Home Fashion Wide Diamond can extend over 9.5 feet and folds up to less than 20 inches. Offered in 3 colors, this model's woven wood panels and arched tops add a touch of decor to a functional piece. It can fold to either side and is durably manufactured, but it's not completely opaque. At number 4, if you're looking to add some rustic flair to your home or office, the premium Home PHG folding wall just might be for you. Inspired by a barn door, this model incorporates a double hinge construction and is fully opaque. It's built from durable wood and is lightweight and easy to move. No assembly is required. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, thanks to over 5.5 feet of solid grey fabric, the steelaid partition screen is a sleek way to separate your office, home or classroom. With hardware and support poles included, all you need to set this selection up is a screwdriver. It reaches 6 feet tall and is a freestanding design. It breaks down compactly for storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for room dividers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made from triple weave polyester, the NiceTown sliding curtains block out light and reduce sound. Available in widths ranging from 8 to 15 feet, they offer an array of spatial possibilities for both large and small rooms. These are easy to keep clean and affordably priced. There are 9 colors to choose from. And coming in at number 1 on our list, thanks to 2 tiers of shelf space, the Rose Home Fashion Partition Wall is an excellent choice if you're looking for extra storage. Available in mocha, beige and a natural hue, this model is 6 feet tall and stretches over 5 feet wide, providing a nice amount of privacy. It's made from wood and fiber and is easy to fold up. It's lightweight but sturdy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for room dividers, or simply click beneath this video.